welcome to another Nimble video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I want to give you all the first look at xChat, my first Android mobile app. The core functions are complete and I'm currently in performance testing. Before we examine the finished UI, I want to give you an overview of the backend web services design. Nimble Backend is comprised of a series of modular Node.js web services. Each web service has a dual MySQL or Postgres support with self-deploying and setup scripts at startup. Each web service can run as a standalone node or an embedded module on the home server, allowing my network to scale up easily. This single sign-in log-on solution allows me to create and expand the network with a similar agility that Nimble provides to the front end. The chat web service also includes WebSocket support. So today I will preview the xChat project and walk you through the web build. This chat room app was inspired by Figma designs of Martina Wolna. I included a link to Martina's designs on the About page of this app. Though I have taken a few liberties to improve the functionality, I was able to merge the Nimble login project files with the chat app project and transition between the two as a session start event. During the merge of the two projects, I was able to take some time to improve the Nimble build process and include Android Engine versions between 12 and 13. Each Android version includes minor changes, but I'm proud to announce that Nimble will support all versions 9 through 13. Nimble ensures that all core plugins and config settings are applied for each version. By simply clicking the Check Compatibility button, the build settings are applied. Custom or advanced plugins may require manual adjustments. I wanted to make sure all standard plugin configurations are handled so Nimble would create repeated, reliable builds for the Vault Builder service. I currently have the Nimble web services running locally on this PC, and I have included the login single service app server and chat service for this demonstration. The xChat application is running in a web browser, and when I log into the app, you'll notice I land on the lobby. At the top of the app, you'll see the display of the avatars of all users that are currently in the room. The UI, color theme, and design look amazing. You may notice that there are some test messages that were created by admin during my unit tests. You also notice that I have integrated the system menu for navigating throughout the app. We can take a look at the About screen where I've highlighted Martina's project for inspiration. If we take a look at the user profile page, you're able to edit the display name and avatar. If we navigate to the user page, we can search for users and send private messages. I took some liberty from the original design to allow you to search for rooms by the owner. I thought this was a nice feature to have. By clicking the button, you can now see the rooms that were created by the admin. And with a click, enter the room and see the last 50 messages of the room selected. WebSockets are then initiated and directed to accept messages as they occur. The My Messages area will display any direct or private messages that have been sent to you by other users. You can see each message and have the option to reply to the user's message. The messages are organized by date, and I've included a nice feature to increase the font size for ease of reading. Just click the plus or minus button to control the text size, and you can click the trash so that you can delete the message forever. All confirmation dialogues are included in the single sign-on login application and will be reused in my next mobile app. Finally, when we navigate to the Rooms dialog, we can see a list of the last 50 rooms that were added to the platform. You can search for rooms by name, and the app will show the number of people currently in each room. The lobby was created by the database setup and deployment script. The unit test created the first 3 rooms, and I was able to create the last room. You will notice I have the ability to edit and delete only the rooms I've created. Overall, I love the design. The total time to build this entire project was about 3 months. In that time, I was able to include some enhancements to the Nimble IDE and the backend services, as well as database designs and deployment. Hopefully I can wrap this project up in the next few weeks and deploy it to the Android Play Store. As we continue this journey, I hope you can appreciate what I am building. With each subsequent app, I'm able to build applications faster, more accurate, and a higher quality. The Nimble Solution. Thank you for watching.